everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Holly and I am so glad to have you join me for an unboxing of Mix and Match box. Here is the box. It's just a plain old cardboard box on the outside. It's what's on the inside that makes the difference. If you don't know anything about Mix and Match box, I'll leave all the details down below in the description bar because it is quite a detailed box. And I will also leave my referral link down there too if you'd like to get your own box, because this is an amazing box. You can do like a 3-month payment plan and you won't find that with Stitch Fix or Trendsend or any of the other boxes. I quite like that option for this box. So let's get into this box. So here's what it looks like when you open the box up, and you always get a envelope and all the information is on the inside. And here is what my bundle looks like. Such a big box for such a little bundle, but it is a spring / summerish, so the bundles are smaller. Thank goodness. And here is our packing list. We're not even gonna peek at that right at the moment because I want to be surprised. So here's our info, and with Mix and Match you get a self-addressed bag, and it is free shipping to and from, so you can send back whatever you don't want. I have in the past kept a whole box. Yes, I have. I have definitely done that, and paid over a 3-month time span. I have taken advantage of the 3-month payment plan. I love it. They split it up over 3 months in 3 equal payments. In order to qualify for that, you must at least keep $100 worth of items and at least keep, I think, 5 items, or at least they have to at least equal $100. So let's get into this bundle. Oh, I just love this. Just love it, love it, love it. Such pretty packaging too. Just beautiful. Sometimes I don't even want to open it because it's so pretty. So pretty. All right. I think the clothes are getting smaller. That might be the problem. oh my goodness. So beautiful. I love the colors. Love the colors. Very excited for this bundle. Look at them colors. Lots of colors, lots of lighter colors. I only see one darker color in there. Okay, so on the very top, this is a very pretty color. Very pretty flutter sleeve. And this is from My Soleil. I think that's how you say it, My Soleil. And this is in the size, where are you? Extra large. There's the tag there. This top is $30. Now, come on, tag. Knock it off. There we go. All right, if I can get a hold of it. And it does have a little functional pocket. It is just a t-shirt. And there it is. Just looks like a rounded, nope, not just a straight hem. Just a regular t-shirt. I do kind of like these little sleeves here. They're not bad. That is very cute. It's like a kind of a peachy orange, kind of. Okay, what are you? These are pants. Well, leggings. They're very interesting. And they are white. Oh boy. Okay, well, these are by G, and these are in an extra large. Yeah, and these are extra large, and they are on sale. They are very stretchy, which could be a good or bad thing. And they are folded on the bottom, and they have an embroidered detail at the bottom. I have to admit that I am a little afraid of white because in the past I am a very clumsy person. So they do have some pockets, functional pockets on the back. Both pockets are functional. They do have faux pockets on the front. Both sides are non-functional. And both legs are, they are cute. I do like those. They are cute, and I do think that the shirt would match that. So I will be trying those on together. I do think that that will go very well together. And those were from UMG, and this is from Bomb Bomb. This next top is from Bomb Bomb, and this is in an extra large. Oh, I just love this already. I love this detail right here. She gets me every time. These boxes just get better and better every time. Liz, what are you doing to me? My husband is going to just be like, what are you doing? And this is a very nice top. I love this top already. This short sleeve, very flowy top, just a black top. Who doesn't need just a black top? I do. I need just a black top. I always do. There we go. And I'm gonna put my hand in here so we can see if we can show you the crisscross detail on the sleeves. There we go, there we go. And that is the crisscross detail on the sleeve there. Very cute detail. I like that. Very nice. And the next one is from Down East. And this is a, I don't want to say 3/4 sleeve t-shirt. It's just gray and in the size extra large. And there's the tag. And I've never heard of Down East. Very nice though. It's kind of a jersey, knit jersey top. And there's the back. I do like the kind of a, it's like a kind of a baseball knit top. I do like that. Very cute, very cute. Oh, isn't this cute? And there's another top from Bomb Bomb. And this is an extra large pink polka dot top. Oh, isn't it just the cutest short sleeve top? Oh my goodness, what are you doing to me, Liz? This is beautiful. Isn't that just the cutest little top? It's so cute. Just a short sleeve, pink polka dotted top. Just so beautiful. And it's an extra large. I think I told you that already. Very cute. And then we have one last thing, and this is, okay, and it is from Pair of Pants, and they are from Liverpool in a size 14. And I've never had a pair of jeans. Okay, thought I dropped something, but I guess I didn't. And they are stretchy ankle skinny jeans. And they are a size 14. They look to be a little big. They always look big to me, and then I try them on and then they aren't big. So we will see how they fit. And these are on sale as well. I love receiving stuff that are on sale, and they were $98 and they are $85. Okay. And they do have some give. I love the gives. I do love getting jeans that have some give in them. I am finding now that the waist in my waist is getting smaller. So I need to definitely remeasure my waist. But we will try these on and see what we have going on. I do like those though. Very nice. I don't have a pair of Liverpool jeans, and I don't have a pair of jeans in this color. So I am curious to try those on. All right, so we are going to try these on and see what we're working with. Be right back. Okay, I have the pink shirt on and the white leggings on, or the capris, and I'm pretty sure, I mean, they fit, but I don't know. I'm not so sure. I really don't know if they, I don't know. I don't like the way they look on me. I think that they, I don't think I like the way they look on me. I mean, they're showing all my lumps and bumps. Yeah, I mean, they're cute, but I don't know. I like the shirt, but these, it's showing like all my lumps and bumps. So here's the top though. I mean, I like the top. The top is nice and flowy, fits me good. I like the top. But I'm not so sure on the pants. I mean, you can see, like, you know, all the imperfections that God gave me. I'm not so sure about that. But the top isn't bad. The top's not bad. You know how I am about my arms, so I'm not so sure about the arm part. But I don't know about these pants. I don't like that part. I don't like, yeah. Maybe a longer shirt maybe would be good. Okay. Okay, I have the black crisscross top on and the green jeans. So, here's the black shirt. I should have showed you that up close. I like the shirt. It's a nice shirt. And here are the jeans. Jeans aren't too bad. Not too bad. I'm not hating it. Not hating it. I don't have a pair of jeans this color, so they're not too bad. Not bad. Let me know what you think. I'm gonna try on the next shirt. Be right back. Okay, here's the flower. I want to call it a baseball t-shirt. That's what it reminds me of. So here it is. I do like the print on it, and it does kind of go with the t-shirt or the jeans. Kind of cute. Not a bad t-shirt. Not bad. I like it. It's not bad at all. All right, last shirt coming up, and probably my favorite. Just looking at it, I think it's my favorite. Pink with polka dots. I like it. Be right back. Okay, yes, this thing is so soft. It's so cute too. I like the way it's nice and flowy. I like it. This is probably my favorite. It's nice and soft, like silk. Very soft. I like the sleeves just long enough. It's nice. Covers your booty. Very nice top. And I think it's like 30 bucks. Not bad, not bad. I love the prices in this box. Very nice prices. So I don't think I showed you. The jeans they're not bad jeans. I don't know. I kind of like these jeans. Let's discuss prices. I'll be right back.
you.